Dr. Peter Alexander says he never defrauded medical insurance companies by overbilling. The Virginia Beach gynecologist has been indicted on 39 charges of routinely billing Medicaid, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and Champus for laboratory tests he allegedly did not perform. During criminal proceedings in Norfolk Federal District Court this week, there's been testimony from Dr. Alexander's patients, medical experts, and federal agents. Medical records were entered into evidence by the prosecution. U.S. Attorney Tommy Miller said the documents show that cash-paying patients were charged lower fees. Miller says the bills of those covered by medical insurance listed higher fees for the same services. During final arguments, U.S. Attorney Miller told the court that this is not a malpractice case, but it's what he termed a get-the-crook-off-the-street case. Dr. Alexander's attorney, Richard Bridges, countered, this is not an open-and-shut case. Bridges said he hopes the jury will determine that the government has proven nothing against his client. Judge John McKenzie let the jury go for the evening after more than 2 hours of deliberations. Those discussions are expected to resume Friday morning at 9:30. I'm Ava Hurdle, The Daily News. Testimony from medical experts, federal agents, and patients of Dr. Peter Alexander dominated the week-long trial. The gynecologist was charged with billing Medicaid, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and Champus on a routine basis for laboratory tests he did not perform. Medical records entered into evidence showed insurance companies were charged more for the same services than patients who paid cash. Dr. Alexander was found not guilty of 3 charges but was convicted on 36 others. His attorney, Richard Bridges, who pictured his client as a highly competent physician, said he thought the jury was fair.
They had to assimilate a lot of facts, and I thought they were a very fair jury from start to finish. I thought they gave him every possible consideration that they could. So did the judge. He says himself he got a very fair trial. He has no complaints about the way he was treated, nor do I.
Bridges says he'll consider an appeal after his client is sentenced. U.S. Attorney Tommy Miller had no comment on the outcome. In closing arguments Thursday, he referred to Dr. Alexander as a thief and a crook who needed to be off the street. Given the large number of charges, Dr. Alexander faces a possible jail term of up to 185 years. He's expected to be sentenced within the next 6 weeks. At Norfolk Federal District Court, I'm Ava Hurdle, The Daily News.